How to use Eco Bio Booster to grow broiler chickens faster. 15 vitamins and minerals for 8 kg weight gain and high profit poultry farming. Are you ready? Let's go there. This is our Eco Bio Booster. This is the only product that is making difference in poultry farming, that give you maximum result, maximum benefit within short period of time. You want to grow your broiler up to 8 kg, up to 10 kg, up to 6 kg within short period of time. This is the product that will give you unlimited profit in your poultry farming. Healthy broilers, healthy organic broilers, broiler without any synthetic, broiler without any infection, 24/7 healthy broilers and agile broilers. Many farmers are giving testimony of this particular product. I don't know whether I can add some of the testimonies here, or you go to our YouTube and you get some of the comments they are making. You can see that this product is doing wonderful. 15 vitamins and mineral content of Eco Bio Booster for broiler growth. Number 1, it has vitamin A. Remember, this is an organic extract from plants, natural plants, herbs, and others. Vitamin A improves vision, immunity, and healthy growth rate. It has vitamin D3, which enhances calcium absorption for stronger bones and rapid weight gain. It has vitamin E, which boosts fertility, muscle growth, and stress resistance. It has vitamin K, which aids in blood clotting and support overall metabolism. It has vitamin B1, that is thiamine, which support nerve function and efficient feed conversion. It has vitamin B2, that is riboflavin, which promotes fast muscle development and faster growth. It has vitamin B6, that is pyrotoxin, which helps protein and amino acid metabolism for rapid growth. It has niacin, or vitamin B3, which enhances energy metabolism and appetite stimulation. It has calcium, which builds strong bones and prevents leg weakness in heavy broilers. When your broilers, most of the broilers, when they are growing heavier on daily basis, once their leg cannot carry their weight, they stop eating well, because they will not work faster to eat or to compete with other birds in eating food. So that will make them to drop the weight. So for you to get that maximum weight, you must use Eco Bio Booster to get all these minerals and vitamins that support their growth and well-being. It has magnesium, which regulates enzyme activity and reduces stress during rapid growth. It has zinc, which is essential for immune function, skin health, and enzyme production. It has iron, which aids blood oxidation and prevent anemia that will affect them, and at the same time make them active, make the best active and healthy throughout the period of their rearing. It has selenium, which is a powerful antioxidant that promotes or improves feed efficiency and meat quality. Are you ready to get the maximum result in your broiler farming? Are you ready to get 8 kg? This is their product for you. Only 10 ml you add to their 1 liter of water on daily basis, continuously on daily basis. At the end of the day, you can give them ordinary water to complete the next day. Maybe you give it to them in the morning. If the water finishes in the afternoon, you can give them a clean water, but make sure that on daily basis they sip this to boost their immunity. Eco Bio Booster is a blend of essential minerals and vitamins that accelerates growth, strengthens immunity, and maximizes feed conversion efficiency. This nutrient supports stronger bones, muscle development, and stress-free growth, enabling broilers to reach 6 to 8 kg body weight under optimal backyard and small-scale conditions. Are you ready? Please share this video to reach more poultry farmers, and let me know your view about it. Have you been using the Eco Bio Booster? Let me know your view on the comment section. Please always tell us your view, what you experience with Eco Bio Booster. Most of you have given me a lot of testimonies that is doing wonderful. Some are saying that without Eco Bio Booster they cannot continue their poultry farming elsewhere. Please Let us know on the comment section. And where are you watching this video from? Do you need the Eco Boy Booster? Let me know on the comment section also. And this is only 55,000 naira. Complete 5 liters. 5 liters is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5,000 milligram content here with different minerals and vitamins. Thank you for watching the video. This video is loading. How to make use of this Eco Boy Booster in protecting your birds from day 1 till maturity. Make sure you don't miss the video, please. It's very important. Have you this product in your house? Let me guide you on how to use it to vaccinate your poultry birds, how to use it to medicate your poultry from the beginning to the end. It's loaded in the next channel. Please make sure you subscribe to our both channels. Don't skip to only one channel. Subscribe to both channels and watch our videos always. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I will always answer your questions. You have any business with us, fumigation, training, Eco Boy Booster, feed production, let me know that on the direct message of my WhatsApp line. Always come there for business. On the comment section, ask your questions regarding the video or your chicken and any others. Join our channel membership and get unlimited access to our patronage. Thank you for watching this video. Till the next video is uploaded. For now, till then, I say bye.